So I thought it would be fun to try a plan with me. So this is my basics planner that I use for personal and shop purposes. So these are my inserts that I'm currently using, and this is the current week. And my inserts actually look like this. So it's a alternate week on 2 page extended version because of the sidebar. And as it is made, the sidebar changes from one side to another every 2 weeks. And this is printed on shimmer paper. So I'm going to pull the inserts and be right back. So the kit that I've decided to use for this week is the Cosy Cranberry kit that I just remade and relisted in the shop. So it's this artwork that you may know, and I've printed the B6 version. I have from the full kit my half boxes page, washi end date, functional and script. And I've also found 2 pages from last year that I don't know if I'm going to use, but it's always handy. And then I've decided to pull in rose gold foil. So I have my glitter headers, monthly headers, which I don't know if I'm going to use, but maybe. And then the week dates that I'm going to use. Sadly, I don't have the right numbers for the week, but I'm going to use the one from the kit. Then I have my shop owner B6 kit that I'm going to try to use as well, with tons of functional like that. Then I've pulled in a few other sticky sheets, like this functional, some from my shop, and some from other shops. I thought I might use these glitter headers that look like they match the blue in the kit. Then some functional I've got here from various shops. So yeah, I'll link every shop that I use in the plan with me in the description bar. So let's get started. So what I usually like to do is starting by the glitter headers that I put either on the dates or on the line, so I can put my date covers and then plan my days accordingly with the space. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to speed you through it and then I'll be right back. So now that I've put my date covers, I'm gonna go through the habit trackers and probably the washi. So again, I'm gonna speed you through it and then I'll be right back. here I decided to start on the sidebar. I started with a shorter washi, but I decided to make it long, and I'm gonna cut it at the end, so for now it holds my pages together and it would be a little bit easier for me to plan like this. So I'm gonna go through the sidebar. Sorry, I have a message on my phone. Sorry. So I'm gonna go through the sidebar and then I'll be back to explain what I'm gonna do with the weekly and this big box here. Alright, so the sidebar is done, and now I will go through the days. I'm gonna decorate it with the full boxes and the to-dos and add some checklists, and again, I'll be right back. Okay, so I've gone a bit further than I intended to, but basically, so I like to put alternate placement for my checklists. Well, actually, it depends. Sometimes it's style, sometimes it's placing. So I don't use a whole 7 boxes in my kit because that would be too cluttered. But I like to use this double box sometime to put a gigantic double box. But most of the time I'm gonna put somewhere something similar like this, a full box, decorative full box with some maybe foil scallops like this, a checklist for what's important. I thought I had some, but I don't on this kit. Things like longer checklists, and I didn't want to put a second full box like that because I have already one here. I might add something like that because they're quite cute and yes, they fit. I don't mind the separation here. I might do a black line or leave it like that, I don't know yet. This I use as a sort of something important during the week. I'm gonna add a weekend banner, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna put a blue or a rose gold like this. Maybe a rose gold like this. And then I need to find something that I like for here. Probably a large appointment, or most likely maybe a scallop box. Yes, I think blue. No, there's one here. Glitter scallop box might fit. Then there's one here. Decisions. I'm gonna figure that out and I'll be back. So I actually went ahead and did a few things off camera. So I added a weekend banner here. I changed the color of the half box here because I decided to put the weekly tracker here anyway because I remembered that I had something more to track. I pushed up the pink scallop label to put a tracker here, and I separated the two rose golds with a piece of blue washi, and I decided on a rose gold half box here. And I also added a little October foiled in rose gold here. So now I'm gonna go and place icons, and I'm gonna speed you through that because I might think a little bit while doing that, and I'll be right back again. So I think for the stickers I'm done. Nope, I'm not done. I have a few things to put back. So there's this, and then there's this, and then this. Okay, so I keep finding stuff that I want to incorporate in the spread, so I'm gonna do that right now. Skinny appointment label here, another one here. I have some icons there because I remembered I need to call someone. And then I have bills to pay, or at least to register. And this time I think I'm probably done. Nope, still not done. So I cut this washi on the in the size of 2 boxes to have a little version here to mark that it's the weekend. I might add something, maybe a foil header or appointment labels, depending on if I have a lot to do on the weekend or not. And then let's see, from the kit I used quite a bit, but not that much. So this is what's left of the B6 kit. I didn't use any icons, but I might add them during the week depending on what I do. And then this is the functional. I could have used those headers, but I wanted to use them foiled instead. So I only used 2 stickers on this page. Then on the washi page I use all the date covers and the skinny strip of the bottom washi. Then on this page I used a few icons, the 2 weekly habits and 1 large appointment label. I might use a money flag and some more icons during the week, depending on what I do. Then on this page I use a few half boxes and scallop boxes. I wanted to use a appointment labels, but I ended up not to. Then I already used before some foiled stickers, so does that not show what I used. I finished the headers though, so there's that. I use quite a lot of glitter headers. Then on this sheet I just use the meal. I used 2 Bathtime stickers from the Sticker Panda Co and Managing Mischief Co. And I can't find it, but I know I use stickers from Linou's pots, the little orange here, which I really like. I may use mailers during the week when I'm gonna go post orders. And yeah, oh, here they are, the stickers from Linou, which are from a sampler or a deco sheet that I got a year ago, so, or 2 years ago maybe. Pretty cute. I also ended up using one of the cleaning bottles here. They were printables and I shrink them, so very handy. As you can see, there's quite a lot already. And now I think that's it. So please give a thumbs up to the video if you liked it, and subscribe as well if you want to see more videos. Please be gentle, this is my first plan with me, so it may be a bit all over the place comparing to some others, but I hope I'm gonna improve each time I make more videos. So yeah, I will see you soon. Bye!